Hello and welcome to the video. Today I'm going over accounting for commercial fishing. Now, mind you, as you can see in the smaller picture, right here, we have my accounting software already pulled up. Now, let's go into it. Okay, now, to get started, let me just jump out. You want to go to a certain website to get this particular software, which is totally free, by the way, up until the point where you go ahead, get more features for it. Let me click this to pull up the screen to show you all about it. So, this is the software I'm using. It's called Manager. It's a free download, but let me go here. Okay, downloads. You got Windows, Mac, and Linux. So you can get it for the three major operating systems. Me, I personally have a Mac, a Linux Ubuntu, and a Windows 10. I currently film on the Windows 10 because I gotta fix the Ubuntu. And my iMac is not all that great right now because it's kinda outdated, so I need to put a new operating system on it, which I'll probably have it go over to the Linux Ubuntu. But this is the free desktop laptop version. I highly recommend you use it. It's totally free, awesome software. Now, let's see. That's the free. Then you got Cloud Edition right here. Not exactly free. It has a free trial. I do not recommend it if you're doing it yourself. I recommend just backing up on like a flash drive or external hard drive. That way, if anything happens to your computer, you can easily get all your files back for it. Much better than having to go back out, get the software again, re-enter all your data. I do have several other accounting softwares, but this is the one I find that works the best. Now, like I said, this is the cloud version. You only get a free trial, but it's well worth the time for it. All of these ones are well worth it. It's just, I prefer the free one. Now, let's go to Server Edition. This one, you have your own personal server that you want to host it on and have everyone have access to it on that server. It's a free trial again. Let's see the pricing for this. I'll go back, see the pricing for the other one. $390 for unlimited licenses, 12-month maintenance, unlimited businesses, unlimited users, and complete control of your environment. Now let me go back to the Cloud Edition. So this one's $390 US. If you're in another country, you just click here, select where you are, and there you go. Let's see here, let's go with Russia for a second. As you can see, it's 22,990 RUB for that, for Russia. But me, I'm gonna go back to USD because that's where I am. Now, let's check out Cloud Edition. Pricing and everything. Click see pricing, $39 US per month. Full featured accounting, unlimited businesses, unlimited users, automatic cloud backups, automatic updates, and anywhere access. So you can access this one on your phone, on a mobile device. So there's that feature. My feature is just one system. But now, let's get back to this. Now, for when you first log in, you won't have any of these businesses. So, I'll go ahead, create new business. I'll type in fishing tester, click add business. Now, here you get very basic items. You get summary, journal, reports, and settings. You want to go under customize, and now you can add more into it. Here you have bank accounts, so you want those. I'm going to be showing you a particular method to use for banking with this. I do recommend doing cash accounts as well, because that's your money to go out, fuel your boat, do minor things for your boat on the day, or even maybe employee meals, eating out, stuff like that. That's all tax write-off. So you want to keep track of all that. Only condition for eating out and business meals is you've got to save the receipt for when you go in to do your taxes. If you upload them onto this software, which I'll show you how to do, but you need an external scanner, plug into your computer, and the physical receipt. So you scan them on, you upload them, and there you go. So next, you don't even really need those physical receipts because they have the receipts and payments tab. So you can enter all the details from the receipt into that. So you click receipts and payments. I highly recommend you do inter-account transfers and expense claims. The expense claims comes in handy when you're going out and doing, like, let's say you want to transfer cash from your bank account to cash on hand, or you want to vice versa that. You can do it all through inter-account transfers. Mind you, I will also do a separate video on personal banking. There's a special system for that as well. So, expense claims, customers you don't really need doing commercial fishing. Just gonna let you know that now. But I still highly recommend doing inventory. Right there, inventory items. Employees, if you're doing crew. If you're not doing crew, don't worry about doing employees. You'll skip an entire step in the account setup at that point. But you'd also want pay slip. You can't really bill for time because it's done by cash. So no billable time. You do not get the billable expenses either. But in the area of keeping track of, let's say, your asset, integratable asset, I'll go over all those, what each of those are separately. in another video. But you of course always want those fixed assets, boat, truck, car, land. Capital accounts is something I don't really think we need, but you always can because it's never a bad thing to do. Special accounts would be like retirement accounts, stuff like that. I'm gonna go ahead, click that because I'm gonna add retirement account. I'm gonna make it so everyone that works on my crew has a retirement account as well. They contribute money to it from their paycheck after taxes. So it's non-taxable. There you go. And then you can choose either 401k for your employees and yourself or IRA. You can do Roth 401k as well as a Roth IRA. I'll have videos linked in the description for those. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. Then there's also folders and emails. Folders are to keep track of like anything you scan in, keep all that in one place. Emails are so you have the email of, let's say, all your employees, people you get stuff off of. So yeah, you want suppliers as well. My bad on that one. Let me scroll back up. Suppliers. Make sure you have that. Because suppliers are where you get your gear for it, general things to repair your boat, vehicles, whatever you use to do your fishing. So you always want to have suppliers. They don't supply you with your goods that you sell, because you go out, get that on your own. And I'm already over 10 minutes. So once I select emails, mind you, I don't use folders because I never scan anything in or anything else like that. But there's always so many other things you can do with all of it that you do not know what to do. Now, I'll end this video here and let you guys decide whether to continue with my videos or to not. It'll totally be up to you.